Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can actually make money by listening to music. Now let's be absolutely upfront and clear about this. You're not going to be earning thousands right off the bat. This is just a nice little side hustle. Now in today's video I'm going to share with you 5 different websites, and there's something in here for everyone because I was doing a bit of research for a blog article and I was looking at these different websites. So today I'll share with you the 5 best ones in my opinion. And look, if you don't like what I'm going to be sharing with you in this method, there's lots more ways and methods of making money. Just simply go over to my blog and click on make money. There's lots of articles over here. Let's just jump onto the first website. So we'll come over here. So the first one we're looking at is called Slice the Pie. Now this website here is huge. They've been around for a number of years, and as you can see here, it's the largest paid review site on the internet, and you can actually earn cash for every review that you leave. Come down here, look, your feedback on tracks, and it's not just music, they also do clothing and lots more, directly goes to help artists, record label and brands make decisions. And then look, the better your reviews, the more you will earn, join millions of viewers online. So it's pretty straightforward. So the sign up process as well, you just simply click on sign up now and you go through this, you put in your name, your email, etc. And then once you go through this here, if we come down to the frequently asked questions, I just want to show you this as well. So come down here, it tells you, look, how do I review on Slice the Pie? So once you're logged in, you'll be asked to choose a category that you'd like to review. If you've chosen music, which this video is about, then you hit the play button and you start listening to the track. And then there's lots more information here. Look, you'll need to listen to at least 90 seconds of the track to qualify for this. Once you've rated it out of 10, you can submit. And then it just goes down here and tells you more about this. But obviously we want to know about getting paid. So look, come down here. Do I get paid? Yes, Slice the Pie pay you to review. Let's go down here. Look, how do I get paid more? And basically it just walks you through different methods of actually earning more money. How do I actually get my money? Well, any earnings can be withdrawn to a PayPal account. So for this, you do need a PayPal account, and the minimum withdrawal on this site is $10, which can take up to 5 working days. And then there's more on here. Why am I being paid in dollars? And lots more information on here. But look, it's absolutely free to sign up with. You can listen to music, and you can also, I've seen down here, look, you can actually invite friends, and basically you can earn for recommending and sharing this with your friends, and it talks about commissions and lots more. But that's the first website. It's called slicethepie.com. So I'll drop a link to that below for you. Don't worry, it's not a referral link, it's just over to the website. The next one I'm going to share with you is this one over here, and it says up here you can earn $600 a year with this here. Now this is basically, it is an app which is available on the App Store and the Google Play Store, and basically you go ahead and you download this, and then for every track and artist and music that you're listening to, you see here you earn more points. The more you basically listen to music and you get points, and then the points you can actually spend them on gift cards at your favorite stores. So come down here, look, you can search and play from 100,000 radio stations, so that's pretty cool. So you're not just stuck with one type of music. Come down here, earn points, spend them at your favorite brands. And then again, look, how do I earn? So always double check this sort of stuff when you're looking into any method. So look, the more you play, the more you earn. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. They're always adding more ways to earn. How do I spend my points? Various ways: gift cards, physical products and electronics. How do I earn more? And basically it's just telling you more ways for you to earn more money. Predominantly because the more that you're earning money, then obviously this website here, they're earning more money as well. So it's in their best interest for you to be earning more so that they can earn more as well. But it's a pretty cool app, and the fact that you can earn from over 200,000 different radio stations, it's just a simple and an easy way. So just download it, go through, and then you get your points. And as you can see on here, look, earn up to $600 a year listening to music. So that is called Current.us. So again, I'll drop a link to that below for you. The third website I want to share with you is this one over here. Now this is called Playlist.push. Now on here, look, you can see, look, you can actually earn $12 per song that you leave a review on. However, there is a bit of criteria for this. Over on this website here, this Playlist Push, say you get paid to review songs, you can only do this. Look, to qualify as a curator, you need to earn a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. Now, there's a number of ways around this. I'm not going to go through this in this video, but really simply, go on Google and just type in this here, how to get a real followers on. In fact, I'll just show you. So we'll get real followers on Spotify. Click on here, click on get this here. Look, 10 best sites to buy Spotify followers. So basically, you can pay a bit of money to get some followers on your Spotify playlist or your YouTube playlist, and then you can come over to this playlist.push and sign up, and then you can actually start earning money. Over on this website here, you can actually get instant payout to your bank account, so you don't have to worry about PayPal or things like that. And then there's basically there's every genre and category of music that you can think of over on here. And again, really simply, so you come over here and you click on apply, and again, it's just a simple sign up process. So you put in your name, your email, select the platforms you want to promote, etc. You just go through this, and once you've signed all of this up and you've passed the criteria to sign up on this platform, you can start earning up to $12 per song that you leave a review for. So that is the other website. It's called playlistpush.com. Now, there's another one which I want to share with you, which is this one here. Now, there's not a lot of information on the actual website, but when I was doing some research for the blog article, this did get mentioned a lot of the time. So you see here, Researchfm is a music research company. They've been around since 2008, and it uses your opinion to advise local radio stations about music to play. So over on this website, if you want to, if you're interested in this, you can call them if you want, or you can contact them via email to go through the process of how you sign up with them. But it's called Research.fm. The final website I want to share with you, this one's a beast of a website, it's called Music X-Ray. Now, over on this platform here, it's not just whereby you can earn money listening to music, you can earn money in hundreds of different ways over on this website. Anyone who's in the music industry should be coming over here and checking this out. You can check out past reviews and feedback, but you see down at the bottom here, it's hidden. If you come down to the bottom where it says opportunities, you click on there and you click on browse, and then what happens here is, on the left hand side here, look, browse the opportunities. You can see here they've got all different categories, and they've got thousands of opportunities over on this website here. You can go into any of these. Look at record deals, professional song critique, song placements, exposure, radio playlisting, and lots more. And you can even filter this via the price range of how much a job is worth on here. And look, you can go through and have a look at this in a lot more detail. But this website here is not predominantly just for listening to music. It's anything in the music industry. And the other ones that we've looked at, this one is purely listening to music on the app. This one over here, Slice Pie, again, you can earn money listening to music and anything within the record industry. They spoke about merch and merchandise and other bits. We've just got that one, Music X-Ray. We've got playlistpush.com. And we've also got this Research.fm. So that's 5 different websites that you can use to make money listening to music. Out of all of them, which one would I say is the easiest? Probably this one here, because you're just downloading an app and you're listening to the music that way. But look, that's a simple and an easy way that you can make some money online and from home without any experience, any skills, and it won't cost you any money. If you want more ways to make money online, come over to my blog and just literally check out the earn money articles here. I've got hundreds of articles on here, and if you want to, more ways to make money, there's free links down below to my free affiliate marketing course, my free YouTube course, and lots more. So look, that's today's video. Hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.